Okay, good day. Now let us discuss a new topic or like topics like mm, cardinality of sets. Cardinality. When we say cardinality, we just actually mean the number of elements. Okay? Number of elements in a set. Pila kabuok elements sa isa ka set. Okay? Pila kabuok elements. For example, let us give an example now. Like the number, okay, let's call set A equal to the set of all colors in the rainbow. Okay? So, pila man dahil kabuo color sa rainbow? Tigali kayo ang mga colors sa rainbow. I think we have. So, set A, by the roster method, it will then be yung mga colors sa rainbow. I think Roy G. Biv, right? Red. Okay. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And you also have violet. Okay? So, mo ni ang mga elements niya, no? R-O-Y-G-B-I-V. Pwede. Dapat isulat mo siya as small letter. Sige, itong small letter kay we usually refer elements to be with small letter, no? Ang capital letter nato kay kwan lang kana nang mo nang name sa set. So, let's put this red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay? So this is set A in roster method. So, muna ang roster niya nga pagsulat ng listing. Now, in this example, what is the cardinality of A? So, we just simply put N of A. Meaning, N of A stands for cardinality. Pila ka book elements sa set A? Simple lang kayo, di ba? The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are just 7 different colors in the rainbow. So, there are 7. Okay? So, ingana lang kasimple ang idea sa cardinality. Now, allow me to give also another set, no? Like, for example, we'll have set B be the set of all counting numbers. Okay? Be the set of all counting numbers. So, set B in roster method will then become, kung saan man kayo itong mga counting numbers, we'll start, how do we count? Do we start from negative 1? No, we start from 1, then followed by 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? Magka-increase na mag-isa ito ang count, but it doesn't really end. Okay? If you'll be asking this, what is the cardinality of this set? Set B. Pila man kabuk elements member sa set B? Then we'll say too many, or the word too many actually is written as hindi maihap, no? That is what we call infinity. Infinity. So daghan kayo, meaning so ang sa infinity bali na siya. Okay? Or daghan kayo, no? Too many to count. Dili siya maihap kay wala mo na yung limit. Tama man sa pinakadako nga number. Okay? Now, we also have, allow me to give another example of set. So, shall we say, I'll have set C be the set of all Filipinos. Okay? The set of all Filipinos with saman. So, yung mga characteristics sa Filipino kaya. With, for example, with with superpowers. Okay, no? With superpowers. Kanang murag si Kwan ba? Murag si San Goku. Kanang sets of all Filipinos nga naay power. Kanang grabe nga power na murag kanang sa mga movies. Okay? So, in that case, unsa man kayo Filipino, how do you write that in roster method? Kinsa man kayo nga Filipino nga naay superpower? In reality, there's no Filipinos with superpower. In that case, we have this empty set. Okay? So, empty set ni siya, ato lang ko, no? Ato lang tangan, no? Para maklara tong set atong batangan dahil real superpower. Kaya kasi yung tanong nga, the movies di ay. Now, we'll put real, meaning tinuod yun. Ang idea is empty set. Tuha lang ka curly braces nga walay sulod. Okay? So, kung pakutanon ta, pila may cardinality ani nga kuan? Pila man ang cardinality ani nga set? Cardinality of set C is equal to, answer will be 0. There's no element in set C. Wala siya sulod. Okay? Wala siya sulod. Okay? So, dani karon ang idea sa cardinality is pila lang kabuok elements. And in this case, we then introduce the idea of finite sets, infinite, and the idea of empty. Okay? Finite, infinite, empty sets. Finite set are those set with cardinality nga maihap, no? Real number. Ang cardinality niya kay like 7, 10, 20, 100. So mao na ang finite set. So kani siya is a finite set. A is a finite set. Ngano man? Meaning naitama, no? Kabalo jud kung pila ka buok sulod. Finite. Ang iyahang cardinality or iyang number of elements is a number which is you can say what's the value. Okay? Kabalo ka sa value, meaning kabalo ka sa amount. Dili. In this one, kabalo ka nga daghan kaayo, pwede na master kung pila jud ka buok because this is an infinite set. Okay? Set B is an example of an infinite set. And lastly, set C is an example of what we call an empty set. Empty, nga naman, set nga walay elements, set nga walay members, set nga walay sulod. Okay? Yung ana lang kakuha, no? Empty, okay, empty set, na kay infinite set. So, yung ana lang, na kay finite set. Finite, kung ang number of elements kay maihap nimo, meaning, you can really say what's the value like. You can say, kaniro, GBIV, no? There are actually 7 elements of set A. In set B, you can say that there are really infinite numbers, meaning too many. You cannot say 1,000 because the counting numbers don't end up 1,000 lang. Set C, then you cannot say anything because there are no Filipinos with real superpower. Only in movies, okay? In reality, there's no superpowers, okay? Real people don't have superpowers. So, this is an empty set, meaning 0 ang iyang number of elements. So, that's the idea of cardinality. Infinite, finite, infinite, empty. Finite kung ang cardinality niya kay maihap lang. Infinite kung too many, dili good maihap. And this one, empty, if walay sulod ang set. Okay? Oh, by the way, set C could also be written as C equal to this one. This means C is an empty set. Okay? Thank you.